Good morning and welcome to This Old Geek. Now you may have asked yourself, how could I make an affordable stand for my foam puppets? Well, I just might have the solution for you. I got the parts for these at Lowe's. I got enough for like 4 and I think I paid under $50. Well, it's PVC pipe, 1.5 inch with a 1.5 inch cap, and this base here. And then I just cemented it to a particle board, and they're about 6 inches by 6 inches. Now I have a little video showing you how I did this, so here we go. So I have my 1.5 inch PVC pipe. I'm going to measure how long I want this. There. I have my PVC cement. I'm going to put it on the end that I cut. The reason why I'm doing that is because it's uneven. So this is where I'm going to put a cap on it, because I want the bottom to be even. So there we go. Easy as that. Now I have the bottom, which is much flatter, the bottom of the pipe. Put my cement on there. And I have this. Put it all the way down on there. Now this is going to then get cemented to a base, either a wood or plastic base. Using this board, I'm going to fasten the PVC, the stand, to it, about right in the center. I'm just going to glue it on with some Loctite. See how that works. So I'm going to sand the bottom of this bit, rough it up a little, so I'm sure that it sticks. Have to clean that off. All right. Now, let's see what this does. It says it's power grab, so it's supposed to fasten itself right away, apparently, to the surface. Right in about in the middle. It says power grab, which I don't really feel it power grabbing onto it. After you apply the Loctite, you want to smooth it out. I just use a kitchen knife. I cleaned off later. And then you want it to cure for about 48 hours. And there you go. Real easy and inexpensive. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel for more, and I'll see you next time. Have a great day.